Okay, guys, so this was the thing, I think so.
So it was reading CSV files more efficiently using Databricks. You
Mm.
gave us three case studies. I think we saw only the first one.
Yes, 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 that's what. Snowflake reading is done, everyone.
Sorry, sir.
Snowflake reading data from Snowflake.
Yes, I think. From Snowflake. Yeah, we saw importing from Snowflake. We completed that.
Okay, no problem. Okay, guys, let's start now. So what we will do is now just we'll start up this session, and then we'll move further.
So please share your screen.
Sure. Just a minute, I'm sharing. Okay, we'll start the services, then we will decide the things. Okay, that's better now. I'm clear selecting OK. Tab. So select the resource group. Portal.azure.com, everyone. Okay, I'm using it ADB files reading RG. Click on the create, that's it, guys. So now next one is just create the Databricks startup. Open this. Click on the create. And now start up the workspace as you know. And now use it Durga Soft workspace. Click on create. And again click on the create. That's it. So it's creating anyways. So that's it. Let us wait here till the time it completes to create this. So we have seen the first case, reading data from the single CSV file. Okay, and we have also defined our own schemas. Okay, that's it. It's created. Just click on this workspace, and now once the workspace is ready, you have to launch the workspace as you know, and then start the same. That is start the cluster here. For that, click on the compute, everyone. As you know that we just click on this all-purpose cluster. I'm creating it. So just I wanted to provide my own name, so hence I'm disabling this. And now give the name here. What is the name you want to give it? Uh, Durga Soft Cluster, and click on the create. That's it, guys. Let it. So let's wait till the time it creates. Okay, guys, so now it's created. So let's go ahead. So let's go and create the notebook. So now reading data from CSV. Okay, so on the same cluster I want to create, click on the create, that's it. Okay, so now let us do one thing now. So let's use the guys dbutils dot fs dot mkdirs. That means I'm making a directory here, guys. So hence I'm using it. How to make the directory? So go to this. What is that? Tell me now. Tell me how to make the directory, guys. Can you tell me? Go to the data. Then use what? Click on the create table. That's it. So now, guys, here you have anything DBFS. Select the DBFS, and now file store Databricks file system. Copy this. All of you following now?
Yes, sir.
So just go here to this session. I want to create a subdirectory as we did even in the last class. So just paste it here. Subdirectory, I want to make it as what? Daily customers. Okay. Daily customers, guys. This is the daily customers is the I want to create as a subdirectory. Click on this. Allow. Now, guys, go here. Go and check here. Data. Now, guys, click on this. Click on the DBFS file store tables. Can you see here? Daily customer is the folder. Can you see here? We need to upload the files in. We need to upload the files here. How to select this folder? Okay. We need to upload the files here onto this particular folder. Go to the upload now. Upload files. Drag and drop. Drag and drop, everyone. Okay. Select. So I'm using the airlines. So can see here. Then select here. I want to upload some more. Can see here. And again, I'll upload a few more. Okay. Or else we'll deal with some other files. Employees underscore south. Employees underscore east. Okay, open this. That's it, guys. I'm uploading the multiple files today. Okay. That's it. So go here. Recent. Read it. Everyone. So now, guys. So reading. How to read it? Tell me now, guys. Can you tell me? Reading. All of you, I want to reply, guys. Reading. Yes. Single file. First of all, I'll start with single file. Though we have seen it in the last class. Single CSV file. Okay. So how to read the data from the single CSV file, guys? We have to create, what is that? A variable which stores the we have to create a variable which stores this particular path. So can you see it? Oh, just paste it here. That's it. And now use what's a daily. You can copy this path now anyways. Copy. That's it. That's it, guys. So now here put it as it is. Now which file you want to read it? Whenever you want to read a single file, go to our data. Data. Go to this what is it? You have it. Table. Create table. Go to the DBFS. And now under the DBFS, your file store. Go to the tables from the file store and again select the file whatever you have it. So I'm selecting the file here. What is that? Employees underscore east is there. I'll select it. And now copy this path, whatever the path you have it, just copy it as it is. Okay. So you can copy the path here also. So copy the path from here, the whole path as it is path it's there. Copy this. And now come back and go to this one, recents, and reading this one, notebook you have it. Okay. Now just paste it here within this quotes. You can just paste it here as it is instead of pasting the path in a splitted way. Okay, that's it now, guys. If you want, you can add a DBFS or else you can leave it as it is. It doesn't matter. Okay, so that's it,
Go
guys.
into a defined folder, right? The folder we define.
Folder, folder. I think. See here, just a minute. According to that only, we are going at create table, DBFS, file stores. Sorry, tables. It has created not in the folder, it has created below the folders. Okay, let it be, no problem. If such is the case, you have to do this.
No problem.
No problem. Okay, anyways, let it be. So again, you have to upload it here. I think, anyways, no problem. Let us leave it as it is. So now, guys, or else if you want, you can do that now. Upload it, browse it. Just a minute. Let me check where it is uploading. You're only uploading, but it's okay. Anyways, daily customer is empty only. Okay, anyways, let it be. So guys, just come here, select it here. Default root directory is DBFS, which is not required. If you want, you can mention it. Okay, no problem. And then what's it? You have it. DF is equal to, sorry, in the same one, same you can write it here. DF is equal to spark dot read dot format. What format of the file you are working? So use the CSV. Use the indentation here, the slash dot options. Use what's it? Dot option. Tell me, ma.
Header.
Dot options or option?
Option only.
Yes, dot option. That's it. And use what is it? Header. Use what is it? Comma.
True.
Yes, guys. True. That's it. Okay. Again, use indent. Dot option. Use what is it? You have it again.
Delimiter.
Delimiter. Delimiter. Okay. So use a delimiter, whatever
Comma.
you have it, comma. Again, under the quotes, use what is it? Tell me now. Comma. That's it now. Indent. Again, use what a dot options. Dot option, everyone. Use what is it? In for schema. Okay, guys. In for schema. In for comma. True. Indentation. Dot load. Dot load. What's the load you have to give? Tell me now. Same. What is that? src underscore src underscore type. Tell me, guys. Path. Select it. Fine now. This is running. So hence hope so it is created now finally. Okay, no problem. That's it, guys. Okay, so that's it. The data frame is ready here. Now, guys, this data frame is ready with how many files? Tell me now.
One file.
Only one file we have used it. Okay, so now let us try to create it. Okay, guys, just a minute. I'll be back. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, guys, sorry. So now let's start up. Okay, so this is ready now. So am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's start with the. So anyways, you know the various way you can also write it in a, that is in a line format also you can write it. That already we have discussed, okay, in the last class. Okay, so now that means the same syntax you can write it. This is, I can say, syntax 1 you can say. Okay, so you can say the syntax 1, and another tab I can use it, the syntax 2. Syntax 2, the same way you can use it, the same one. That means you can write in various ways. So here what we can do is remove this. How to write it? Tell me. So you can remove this. Remove this. Yeah, tell me. All of you. So guys, you can write it in this way. Another way is what? You can remove the options. Do we require the option here, guys? We don't require the option. Another way is without writing the option, guys, you can just use it here. Okay. What is that? Spark.read.csv. Directly instead of format, you can use it as what? Tell me, ma. Please, CSV, na? Spark.read.csv. Then we can use what is that? This. Okay. Anyways. Okay, so what is that? Spark.read.csv and source src underscore path, comma, header. This is another way. Syntax is equal to true. True. Then again we can use what? Infer schema. Everyone is following?
Yeah.
Infer schema is equal to true, comma, separator SCP is equal to, that means instead of delimiter having separator, comma. Again use what is it, guys? Okay. Okay. So this is the one. That's it. Okay, guys. This is the actual syntax we have. Separator, delimiter. That's it, guys. That's the way we can use it here. Okay. Same way. No issues at all. Okay. Same. Can you see it? We can use this way or this way. This is a second syntax 1 and syntax 2. Or we can say this is a syntax, actual basic syntax. This is, somewhat we write the command here in this way. Okay. So guys, this is the thing we have it. So now if you don't want to, can you see here, guys? The third way of writing, that is the syntax 3 also, just a minute, I'll brief you once, then we'll move further. Just a minute. So for this, what we can do is, can you see here? Spark.read.csv. Can you see it? Remove this thing, just get it here, option. Then remove this thing and get it. Remove the forward slash. Can you see it? Get it here, all of you. That's it. Then option. Delimiter, everything is ready now.
Dot load should be there.
Yeah, so dot load. Load is what? src underscore path. Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
Now run this. This is the another way.
The
Oh my
hot load is there.
God. It's there now. Now fine now. Same, no issues. So three ways you can write it: the syntax 1, syntax 2, and syntax 3. Three syntax you can write it. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. So now, okay, that's the thing we have it. So, anyways, we can do it in whatever way we wanted. Okay. Next. That's it, guys. So this is the way we do it. And next one is okay. So now okay, so I'm just using it here. User defined schema. So you know all this now, guys. User defined schema we have discussed, I think so, no? Please.
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat?
No, we have discussed the user defined schema, isn't it?
Yes, yes. Last class we did.
Yes. So last class, I think we have already discussed it. Okay. So anyways, so okay, we have already discussed it. No? Okay. Okay, now I'm using it. Reading, guys. Because already I showed you in the last class how to define the user defined schema. So now we will try to read it. Okay, all files. Reading all CSV files or reading all CSV files. So now tell me, guys, how to read the all CSV files? Can you tell me? So now, guys, do one thing now. You have this now. Just copy this. I'm copying this, guys. Just a minute. Use it here. Whenever you want to read all CSV files, remove this. Because the subfolder is not even considered here, so hence you can just directly, guys, you can give it what's it? That's it. All files. Fine. That's it, guys. That's it now. Run it once. Run it. Fine now. The next one, what is that I want? Tell me now. The next one, guys, everyone just have a look. df is equal to spark dot read dot csv. Then use what's it? src underscore path comma header is equal to true comma infer schema is equal to true separator, comma, SCP separator is equal to, tell me now, separator, what is the way you have to use it? Tell me now. Separator.
Comma.
Yes, comma. So use it here, comma. That's it. Okay. That's it, guys. This is the way we have it. And now let's run this. Data frame is ready here. That's it. So now let's do one thing now further. I'll use this the above one. df dot options, we have it now. I'll use this one code. Copy this. Simple. Give the same heading here. Reading all CSV files. Reading, same one. Reading all files. That's it. So this is fine, everything. Any issues here? No issues. So run this. Normally run this. That's it, guys. Now it's done now. Do one thing now. Take another that is cell here. Guys, df dot count it now. Df dot count. Count it, everyone. Can you see it? How many rows are there totally? Guys.
6734.
All the files, whatever the files I have copied. So now display is a display function. Display df. That's it. Can you see the rows? All files. Because this file, which one, the airlines has 6161 rows, and rest of all it has added. Okay. Now do one thing.
But all the files should have the same number of columns, right?
Just a minute. Number of columns. So what in the data frame, it's putting up all the data. See here, totally 1000 rows.
All the rows it is picking up, but ideally all the files should have the same number of columns and so on.
So that is because that is only when you want to append it.
But here that is why it has created so many rows, right? It has combined all the.
Then you have to split it now. We have to split it now in such a way. We can split this data into multiple things. Okay, I'm reading it here now. So that's the way we can just split it off. So anyways, generally in the real time, what happens is, we take the same number of, we just try to get into one data frame, the same number of columns, same number of, this thing, I mean to say the metadata should be same. The metadata should be same here. But now what I am doing it here is, as I don't have multiple files, I'm using it as it is. Okay. So I'm using it. Now guys, so display is done. Display is done. Okay, that's it. Nothing.
We have to write it into file.
Pardon me.
Now we have to write it into file, is it?
Now I'm trying to not writing into the file. I'm just trying to basically define the user defined schema. Okay. So that's it. df.count. Okay, count we already used now. The user defined schema is the main part. Okay. So now guys, let's do one thing. Now define the okay. So now guys, how to create the schema? I'm just writing the code here. Create guys, create user defined schema. Create the user defined schema from what is that you have to tell me now? From PySpark dot SQL dot types, then import, tell me now, import struct type comma struct field, then comma integer type comma string type comma date type comma long type comma decimal type comma time stamp type timestamp type. Okay, that's it guys. So now I will give the user defined schema, that is nothing but the name for the user defined schema. Some name, any name you can give it, but I'm using the name here as S1. Okay, okay, or else simply I'll use the S is equal to what? Schema. So use it here, same guys, use it here, same struct to S is capital, and that's it. Okay, so now guys, use what is that? S is equal to use it struct type. That's it. And now next after this, yeah. Okay, so now just use it here, this one. And now under this, the braces you have it. Now you have to start writing. What is that? Tell me now. Guys, struct to field. Copy this. Write it line by line. This is the best way to practice to understand this. That's it. Struct of is equal to, then use what is that? Tell me. Huh? Everyone. 1. 7. That's it. Okay. So this is the thing we have it. That's it. Now, guys, let us start from the beginning here. Okay. So how to begin the things? Write it down, everyone. That's it. Okay. Struct to field. Tell me now, what is the struct to field you have it? Can you tell me, guys, what is the struct to field? Okay, so now what we will do is, guys, we have read the multiple files now. That's it. So anyways, what we will do is, just a minute, let me go to the DBFS. Just a minute, data, create table, DBFS, file store. I think just a minute, guys. I'm copying this. Just a minute, let me go to this reading file. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll paste it here. That's better now. That's it. Okay. Now what I will do, in this particular data, yeah, the schema issues is arising now, no? Because if you have similar type of files, then you can do it. Okay, that's it. So upload means it's going up there now. Am I audible, guys? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, creating UI preview. That's it. I want to just make it here. Select the cluster, everyone. That's the same cluster. And now preview the table. What is happening? Just go back. Default creating database. Yes, we might not should. Separate. First was the header. Info schema. That's it. CSV type. Just a minute, because actually I have to get the files here in this to this. Okay, now I'll do add data. Upload data. What are the files I wanted? Employees East and employees North. That's it. Okay. Uploaded, 2 files uploaded now. Create table. Because whenever you want to define your own schema, actually we need to have a same distinct files, because if you have clubbing multiple files with various that is nothing but the data that is a structure or metadata, it will be very complex for us to design the schema. That's the reason, because we are creating our own schema. So here in this file we have some, some schemas is there, the proper schema what we can define it. Can you see it? This is the thing we have it. See, now you can define it properly. Table. Okay, so let's go here. No, that's it. So the timestamp, user ID, everything is fine now. That's it, guys. So now let us go here back to the recents and reading data. Or else now you can go to the data. See here, it is created in the Hive Meta Store. Can you see here? It is created in the Hive Meta Store, guys. So automatically it is created in the Hive Meta Store. So what I don't want to create it in the Hive Meta Store. Rather, I wanted to create here. Can you see here? Hive Meta Store. But I don't want to create it in the Hive Meta Store. I want to create it here. So let us do one thing now. I think I have to, for this particular defining, I have to again, recreate the process, because why we have to recreate, I'll tell you. Just a minute. Now, guys, see what has happened here is actually whenever you wanted to define your schema, as we have designed it in the last class, okay. Here actually what I have done is we have uploaded some all files. That means the files which has different metadata. So when you have the files with a different metadata, can you see here? This files totally having how many rows? Can you see here? How many rows are there? Just check here. 6,734. That means actually the airlines file has 6161 rows, and rest of all the rows are gathered from the another files. So if you have multiple files with multiple metadata, it will be difficult, or it is not, basically we don't perform that. Not possible to define this kind of user defined schemas. We have to adjust with the system pre-created schemas only. If you have this kind of schema need to create it, what happened? We must and should create, we must and should define, or we must should have the meta files with a similar metadata. So then only we can define it. What in the first row, how you want to split it, or the last row, how you want to split it, and how you want to change the date, etc. Anyways, so what we will do is, guys, we will change the date type. Okay, we will change. Have you seen the date type changing, guys, in the last class?
Because I think yeah, we saw, I guess.
Amma? Now, how to change the date type by using the user defined schema?
We
Have
did not see. I mean, we got some error, I think.
we got some error on that? No, I think so. We have rectified it. Check once and tell me, everyone. You are no problem. Just a minute. I'll do one thing now. I'll open another cell. Df dot select star. run this once. That means only the first file schema it is taking. That means airlines. I don't want this airlines. Okay. So, anyways, because the airlines does not have the date here. This one having the date. What is it? Customer east. That is employees east, employees north. They have the data. Okay. There is a date type. So we will work on this date type. How to change the date type and how to define the data type on the date. Okay, that we will see it anyways. That we'll just make it out tomorrow. How to define the users defined schema for the date type. Okay, that I'll show it to you tomorrow. Okay, ma'am. So that's it.
I
So
think
I'm just please
I think
come.
we have to loop through each folder and files, and we have to read each file dynamically, and and pull the schema, or we can define the schema accordingly for each file.
Yeah, we can define that way also. We can do it. Definitely, we can do it. Yes, definitely we can do it.
Because each file has different schemas, so we have to somehow define it somewhere and then loop through each folder and each file. So when we read each file, we have to appropriately pull the schema definition and create the data frame.
Yeah, definitely we can go that way also. Definitely we can do that, because in as it is position, if you have the data, how to move it, that is the good solution in what you said, madam. Okay, so anyways, will, because we cannot directly, I cannot, if I show, okay, people may get confused on that. So what I'll do is I'll start it again from this one, because this user defined schema is very important part we have it. So we will see this tomorrow, and then afterwards then we will move with the further topic. Okay, that means defining how to define the, or how to read the CSV file, the multi CSV files, or how to define the schemas, rest of them on various kind of structures and all these things. We'll see it anyways tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, madam, that's it. Okay, ma'am, I'm just stopping the class here. We'll just
Thank you.
continue tomorrow. Thank you.